Vybe.
It features the classic A-series frame design from Dahon, with sleek, flowing lines. The aviation-grade aluminum frame is ergonomically designed for a more comfortable riding experience. With argon arc welding technology, the welds are both beautiful and durable. The frame's main beam uses an elliptical tube with a tapered tube process, offering a unique look. The tube shape is robust, providing excellent rigidity and stability. The minimalist design style, along with superior configuration and performance, meets the needs of cycling enthusiasts who seek a low-carbon, dynamic lifestyle, making travel more comfortable and convenient. The frame comes with pre-reserved mounting points for baskets, rear racks, and third wheels, boasting excellent expandability. It can be customized and upgraded according to consumers' preferences. Dahon is a leader in the folding bike market, holding numerous patents over the years and ranking at the forefront of the industry. Most folding bikes around the world manifest the DNA of Dahon's folding bike design, incorporating 5 to 6 of Dahon's patented technologies. This model incorporates multiple elements of Dahon V tech suite, which improves the overall rigidity and speed across all bike types. Over 1,000 mainstream media outlets, including Bloomberg, Forbes, and Reuters, have reported on the groundbreaking technology. Deltec. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the Deltec system, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently, even outperforming many road and mountain bikes in speed. SD hinge. Made from aviation-grade titanium aluminum alloy, it features a 4-link locking structure with exceptionally strong and stable locking force. Second-generation internal V handle post. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, this column offers exceptional strength and durability. The square taper design increases rigidity, while the internal V-lock simplifies the structure and reduces weight. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. The widened and hollowed clamp ensures a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. Adjustable handlebar and saddle. The handlebar angle and height can be adjusted for a personalized riding posture. The extended aluminum seat post allows for a wide range of adjustments to fit riders of different heights. Multi-terrain tires. These tires are regarded as true crossover tires, designed for both high-speed road riding and off-road conditions. At high tire pressure, the center rises to reduce rolling resistance, making pedaling easier and increasing speed, achieving the effect of a road bike tire. At low pressure, the shoulder tread features independent block designs that offer excellent shock absorption and wear resistance, performing like a mountain bike tire. The tire also features enhanced safety with roughened center treads that reduce rolling resistance while increasing grip on smooth surfaces. The 3-stage tread height difference on the sides further enhances grip, providing better friction when braking at high speed or cornering, reducing the risk of skidding. Featuring a Shimano 7-speed gear system with clear, smooth, and precise shifting. It comes with a 52-tooth chainring and a 14 to 28-tooth rear cassette, providing quick starts and powerful pedaling. The custom wheels designed by Dahon offer smooth lubrication, with rims capable of handling high pressure, ensuring stable and comfortable riding when braking quickly. Folded dimensions. Dahon holds over 40 years of international folding bike development and innovation. Founder Dr. David Hahn is widely recognized as the father of the modern folding bicycle. Dahon is recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's largest folding bicycle manufacturer and distributor. Choosing Dahon means choosing reliability and quality. Built upon Dahon's proven folding systems, further details speak for themselves. Choose Dahon's for a lighter, faster, and more enjoyable riding lifestyle.